Hi, I'm Aparna Patil, and as an architect, I use the ancient principles of Vedic architecture in my designs. Vedic architecture is very unique, and it maintains the belief that as humans we are inherent part of nature and are affected by the energies radiating out of earth. Vedic architecture states that just as we harbor in our heart an atom of divine energy by which we are able to vibrate with life, so also the earth vibrates from within, sending forth energy waves. Thus, the ancient wisdom of Vedic architecture believes that earth vibrates and pulsates with inner stellar energy that is sent out in the form of a grid pattern. According to Vedic architecture, the plan of a building should be laid out on a grid or framework that cardinally aligns with the earth's energy grid. When the grid plan of a structure is cardinally oriented, it establishes a geometric congruency and is in harmony with the earth's grid. The resulting space vibrates with positive energy and affects the building occupants. So the first design criteria of Vedic architecture is to align the building with earth's energy grid, and the second criteria is to arrange the inside space according to directions. The grid on which buildings are designed is called Vastu Purush Mandala, and it is based on the 5 elements of nature. Let's talk about it in the following videos.